Analysis April 20, 2025 in the pre-market. The price opened with a gap down. However, the price it is above the support. This support in the green line is very important because if the price tomorrow, Monday 21st, stay above the support, this is my prediction. The price can go all the way up, or if the price open below the support, this support is going to become in resistance. Let me share with you. If the price tomorrow, Monday, April 23rd, open below the support, this support is going to become in resistance. I'm going to change the color in red. Again, if the price open below the support, this support automatically became in resistance because we got double bottom. Again, if the price tomorrow stays above the support, the price can go all the way up to the resistance. In daily candle, we got one, two, three, four red candle in row. Almost always on Monday, the price can be green. The price tomorrow Monday, the the next candle in the daily candle can be green or can be red. Nobody knows about this. Only I explain my analysis with support, resistance, and price action. Let's come back in 5 minute chart. I'm going to change the color again. Every time when I change the color, for me, it's much easier to recognize the support. If tomorrow, again, the price stay above this support, it is a strong support, can make the price a rebound and goes up, or the price is open below the resistance, open below the support, DP support is going to become resistant automatically. This is my analysis. This is the way how I trade. Tomorrow I'm going to make another video for April 21st.